Welcome to the professional workflow breakdown for our AI-generated psychological thriller trailer, The Echo Chamber. Our journey began with a clear concept: neo-noir obsession. We first established the logline to guide our entire visual design. In Phase 2, we used Dzine AI, in particular the new model Gemini Nano Banana Pro, to generate our key scene images. Precise prompting ensured the crucial cinematic style, sharp chiaroscuro, and character consistency. In text-to-image mode, prompts were provided and Nano Banana Pro was selected. The result is stunning. For subsequent images, image-to-image mode was used, simply by modifying the prompt. This was done to maintain consistency in the generation. To bring those static visions to life, we moved into image-to-video. We leveraged the power of Kling 2.5 Turbo and Grok to create dynamic camera movements, subtle rain effects, and the necessary digital glitches for the conflict scenes. Finally, Phase 4 focused on sound. The narrative tension was built using VO created with precision through ElevenLabs, and the score was established with the track Crime is Everywhere by Soundride Music. This blend of creative prompting and dedicated AI processing resulted in a cohesive, feature-quality trailer. Get ready to experience the echo chamber.
There are things you can't recall, and others you can never forget. I'm under street. Every drop of rain brings me back to that night. It's not just the truth I'm looking for. It's the hole it left behind, the moment I knew I had failed. They say it's over. They say I closed the case. But I hear an echo, a name I can't quite grasp. Who is the shadow I saw? Who is the echo in the chamber? What if the answer was never outside this room?